Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Chrome is current and you're signed into the Google account that controls Safe Search. Once done, open Chrome, //settings and click Privacy and Security to access search controls. You want to work from the browser that stored the preference, otherwise changes won't stick. This step prevents conflicts between multiple accounts or outdated UI. Verify that sync is on only for the relevant account, and make sure you can access Google Search Settings from this. Now go to Google Search Settings while signed into the chosen account. This is where Safe Search lives. Toggle Filter Explicit Results to On because Chrome defers to your Google account preferences for search filtering. Once you flip it, hit Save at the bottom to commit the change across devices with that account. Then immediately run a test search with a term that would previously show filtered results to confirm Safe Search is active. If it sticks, you're ready for the final checks. Finish by clearing cache and cookies if Safe Search resets, because stale data can override new preferences. Make sure no extensions or supervised profiles are enforcing different rules. Disable suspect extensions and retry. If you manage family settings, use Family Link or the Google Admin Console to lock Safe Search on for child accounts. This enforces the preference remotely. A key troubleshooting tip: if toggles won't save, sign out, clear site data, sign back in, and reapply the setting. That usually resolves stubborn persistence problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.